Hello, today I will show you how to deploy this .NET 6 Web API into the AWS Lambda Function. You can see this simple .NET 6 Web API. There's only one method, get method. We pass in the name and then it will display the name with the hello at the front. So let's click on the Control F5 to run this API. Get name. We put the name Apple and then it will display the hello Apple. So let's deploy this web API into the Lambda. In order to deploy into the Lambda function, we need to follow this 3 steps to modify the project. So first, we need to add this statement into our project file. Right click on the project and then edit project file. We need to add that statement under the property group. Save. Second, we have to copy this statement and add into the program.cs file. We need to put it here. One last step, we need to install the NuGet package. Right click under the project, manage NuGet package. Install. Okay. So we compile the project. Now we need to publish into the Lambda. Right click under the project, publish into the AWS Lambda. So in the function name, we can use whatever name we want. We say first net call API. And then for the handler, so we need to use the project name. Next. For the root name, we need to select the default. We can use a default policy. And then click on upload. Let's log into the Lambda function in the browser. So click on refresh. Yeah, you see our API 10 seconds ago. And then next thing, we need to set up the API gateway in order to call this API. We select the Webflow API build. We need to create a new API. We can use any name we want. My API. Yeah. Create a new API. And then here we have to create the resource. The resource should be the controller name. Get name. Okay. Create resource. Under the resource, we need to create a method. It supports the get method. So we have to check this checkbox. And then we select the Lambda function we just deploy and then save. Now we can test our API here. Test. Yeah, you see it return the hello apple. So look like everything okay. So we deploy it. We deploy our API. Maybe for test and then deploy. Right now we can call this in the browser. Copy the link, click on the link, open it up, and then type get name apple. Yeah, it will show the hello apple. Right now it's in the AWS Lambda Function. So that's all for today. 5 minutes. You will know how to deploy it into the Lambda.